Welcome everyone to another episode. Tonight we've got some special meat here. It's part of our red deer from a previous hunt, and this is a very nice piece of backstrap. So that we're going to show you what we do with that in a special way. So we're going to keep it really simple. We're going to treat it with the respect it deserves, and it's for a special occasion as well. So if the camera person would like to pop in here for a minute, we'll explain what's going on.
I was supposed to stay over that side. You
were, but you got caught out. So tonight is our birthday celebration for our 100th birthday, 40-something birthday party. So we're not going out to restaurants. We're going to stay home and eat our own prized possession, which is a red deer that we took a little while back that Ethan was lucky enough to get onto as his first red, which is great. This is a portion of the backstrap, and we're going to turn this into a nice delicious meal tonight. We're going to keep it simple because we like the flavour of the venison, and I'm going to show you how to cook or how to prepare some of the backstrap and turn it into some nice basically medallions in a cow, or some of you'd call it a, what part of the meat?
Oh, I feel it.
I feel it, exactly right. And this is the best part of any animal, which is the backstrap, which runs down the back of the spine of an animal, for those that don't know. So we're going to prepare this simply. I'm going to show you how to do it tonight. We're going to cut it into nice sizes, not too thick, not too thin. We're going to put some olive oil on the meat on both sides after I've cut it, and then we're going to put some SPG. For those that don't know what it is, it's just salt, pepper, garlic mix. And that's all we're going to use to flavour it. Nothing else. We're not going to marinate it. We're not going to sit in the fridge for 6,000 days or that type of thing. We want to taste the actual venison. Venison is a top quality food. It's one of the best proteins you can actually get, and it's a delicious food. So we're going to prep it now, and then we're going to move out to the cooking station and show you how we cook that. And we're going to have this tonight, just the venison and a nice salad, and that's going to be our birthday celebration. So you get back round to the camera work, and we're going to start cutting this up. So you're going to have a go at cutting some?
No, you got it. You got it.
So I'm going to cut all these about the same, try and keep them all the same thickness. So then when you put them on the barbecue, they all cook at the same rate. So one's not cooking more than the other. Very important with your meat like that. So we'll just get them all prepped up. Alright, so now we're just going to get some olive oil, and we're going to do both sides with the olive oil. And that's just basically extra virgin olive oil. It doesn't matter what brand you get. Alright, just a little bit over each. Rub it in, give it a good coating, and turn it over, do the same on the other side. Make sure it's all coated. Do you want to grab me a bit of paper towel?
Yep.
Thank you. It's good to have a helper. So what did you take this with? What calibre?
The 300 blackout.
Yeah, in the previous episode. So if you haven't seen that, jump onto our channel, have a look through some of the previous episodes of the red deer hunt, where Ethan got onto this red. So it was good. It was his first time getting onto an animal of that size. And this is what we've done. The proceeds are here, so they're not left in the paddock. And well, where we got it on the property, the whole deer was brought home. It was butchered, and we're having that tonight for dinner. So SPG, just a light sprinkle, is all that's needed. You don't need to go berserk on it. Flip them over, same on the other side. Alright, now we're going to take these outside, get them on the hot plate that's been heating up, and we'll meet you out there in a sec. Let's get this show on the road. So, here's our venison steaks, all seasoned, olive oil, SPG, so that's the guys, beautiful. Beautiful meat. We're going to get them on the barbie now. These are not going to take too long, and then we're going to get them inside and enjoy them. And the dogs already want some, but they're not for you, mate. Nice sizzle. Going to sear them quickly on each side. sear on each side. Turn them over. All we're doing here is sealing them first. And they don't need long on the high heat. Alright, once they're sealed, they're going to go straight onto here, onto the grill, and basically a couple of minutes each side of that, and they're going to come off. We'll give them a couple of minutes, not even that, I reckon a minute. We're going to open this back up, we're going to turn them, same on the other side, we're going to put them in there, we're going to let them rest, take them inside, and then we're going to eat them, which is going to be fantastic. Alright, let's flip these over, get to the other side for a couple of minutes. Alright, back down. You're not having any of this is all for us, not for you tonight. You had enough venison. You can see once the venison starts, the old Maremma starts sniffing around, thinking it's some of the offcuts for him. So all the proceeds of the red deer that we don't consume goes to this fella and some of the other dogs. So but here's the one that gets the prime. He gets all the bones and the things left over and all the offal that we don't eat, and he consumes it like there's no tomorrow. He loves it. So nothing goes to waste. Alright, let's check this out. These will be done. Wow. Come in for a close up of this. So, yeah, they're done. They're spot on. Alright, let's get them off. Alright, they're going to go in here to rest. Alright, have a look at that. That's our venison steaks for tonight. So that's the backstrap, so that's the best part of the deer you can eat. We're going to get inside now. These are going to rest for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to put them in with the salad, and we're going to hoe into it. We'll take you inside now and show you how lovely these are to eat.
Yeah.
Okay, so there it is. These are our steaks for tonight. So this is the backstrap. This is off one of the animals that we took on one of our hunts. This is a family dinner tonight, which is a happy birthday to Carly. So she's like 102, but she's pretty good for her age. All that plastic surgery has really paid off.
This guy.
And we're paid for that from all the proceeds of our previous deer hunts and all of our success on YouTube. So money's gone to a really good cause. No, we're going to enjoy this tonight. So that's just been cooked. Bit of olive oil, SPG, which is salt, pepper, and garlic. Out on there for not even basically a minute aside. Straight back in here, rested for about 5 minutes, and now it's on the plate. We're going to enjoy this as it is, no extra marinade, nice salad, and we're going to hoe into it. So we're going to get some of these on the plate now. We're going to cut into them and show you what they're like. It is meat to die for, it really is. And it's, you know, basically from out in the field, straight on your plate. You can't ask for any more. Like, give me a look at that. So
How good does that look?
have a look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, stick it up in the lens. That is to die for. Perfectly cooked. You get the first bit in there and tell us what it tastes like. I think it's going to be to die for. And it's going to be as tender as. So, yeah, nice and tender. So
What's
this is
the verdict, Junior?
And honestly, venison, one of the most underrated meats you can eat. They all talk a lot of nonsense out there. I reckon that's great because it's more for us. So honestly,
Yeah, we don't mind that.
we don't mind, but no, honestly, if you go out there hunting and you're taking wild game, bring it home for the table. Honestly,
Yeah.
deer, goat, pig, as long as the pigs are from the right areas, check them out first. It's easy to do. But all your goats, your deer, treat it with respect, bring it home for the table, go and consume it.
Yeah.
It will save you an absolute fortune. This is awesome meat. We're going to hone it now. You can sit here and watch us for a bit if you like. Thanks for watching. hopefully this has shown some people what you can do with the proceeds of your hunts.
Really quick meal too.
It
like
is.
The boys gave me the option to go out for tea or to do this tonight, and hands down, this is the way I want to spend my birthday.
Yeah, me too.
It's not your birthday.
I don't have to waste money for crappy food in a restaurant when I can have the best food here.
We know where it's come from. We know the life it's had.
Yeah.
The whole journey from, what is it, field to fork.
Yeah, pretty much. So we went out, we stalked this animal, we hunted it, he shot it. We then broke the animal down, we transported it home, we butchered it at home, all of ourselves. I'm not a butcher, you can learn this stuff online, you can go to a course actually. There's plenty of different people out there. Nature's Perks is one that comes to mind.
They've got something coming up soon.
Yeah, they've got something coming up soon. We can actually, and you can jump online, you go and actually be taught how to do this stuff. We will put something in down below a bit, so for you to have a look at, so you can go and look at Nature's Perks as well, what they do and what they offer. We work together with all the different people in the industry. They don't pay us to talk about it. We just promote the people who are out there doing the same as what we're doing, the ones that can actually help you and teach you. That's what it's about. It's not about making money, guys. It's about getting more people into this, enjoying the produce.
Enjoying the lifestyle.
Yeah, and the lifestyle of this food. It's amazing food.
Yeah.
I don't know what else to say.
I'm hungry. Can I eat?
So we're going to get into it. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it.
Wow. No, so tender.
Oh man, how good is that? Have another one.
That's the best one, yeah. Can't wait.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
So I was waiting.
You wait too long and there'll be none left. I just cooked up.